Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Among all the different style of steaming fish, there's one which is my personal favorite beside the normal steam. It is called Jiang, meaning steam with fermented bean paste sauce. Okay, so Jiang is usually it comes with very reddish color and very strong flavor, and it has very tomatoey, so sourish and with a savory and a bit of sweetness. So it is. If you ask me, whenever I don't have much appetite, that would be a good style of cooking. Yeah. So let's look at the ingredient. You can use any kind of fish that you have. Today, Appa is using half of a huge wild barramundi that I bought recently. This is half of it. Beautiful fish. You must try wild barramundi fish, which is more than 3 kg. I think this is like 3.7 kg. Appa bought a whole fish. 1 kg about 60 ringgit. Okay, then we're going to steam the fish first. After that, I will go through with you all the sauce on how to make the jiang sauce very authentically. Let's prep the fish very quickly. Definitely you want to wash your fish thoroughly and make sure you remove the fish kidney, okay? Which is the middle part of the big bone. There is some blood stain. That is the fish kidney and the source of fishiness. Always remove that. Now I'm going to first give it a little bit of fine salt here. And then we should put a few pieces of ginger on top. And we will send this to the steamer. So make sure your steamer is at least 100 degrees Celsius and above, or make sure your water is boiling, yeah, if you're using a normal pot. Put in the fish and we will steam this for like 10 minutes. And let's quickly go and make the yummy sauce. Let's quickly take a look at the ingredient we need. We need some big chili here. I don't want it to be spicy, so this is like maybe 5-6 pieces of big chili cut into chunks so that it's easier to blend later. Some garlic, shallot, a bit of ginger. This is salted black bean, taoju, which is also called fermented soya bean. So these two beans will give it the unique umami flavor to this dish. And this is 1 tablespoon of plum sauce. This is about 4 to 5 tablespoons of tomato sauce. This is 1 tablespoon of pork lard oil with crispy pork lard. Then you will need some salt, a bit of oyster sauce, water. You don't need this much water, this is a lot. Light soya sauce, sugar. Right, so get ready a chopper. Put in the chili, shallot, garlic, and also ginger. We can give it a bit of water to blend, to ease the blending process. Close the lid. A lot of people ask me what is the brand. Kenwood. Very cheap, only 100 plus. All right. Less than 10 seconds. This sort of consistency, done. Let's get ready a pan. First of all, put in some pork lard and crispy pork lard, if you have lah, optional lah. But it will be good if you have it, yeah? Restaurant always will add crispy pork lard inside. This oil is not enough. I'm going to put in a little bit more vegetable oil. And let's heat it up. Once it is heated up, let's put in the fermented beans. Always good to saute the fermented bean a bit so that you can remove some the earthy flavor in it, yeah? Ooh, super fragrant. Let's put this to the side. And very important, you want to saute the tomato with some hot oil so that the color can come out, yeah? The beautiful reddish color. And there's a lot of difference between whether you have sauteed your tomato sauce or not, yeah? or plum sauce. Some people say the difference between sweet and sour fish and jiang zheng is the plum sauce. Actually more than that, because it is the fermented bean paste, if you ask me. Ooh, super fragrant right now. Now we can put in the chili paste that we chopped just now. So we need to saute this chili paste for the next couple of minutes. And we still haven't seasoned it yet. We will season it shortly. Just keep on stirring so that it doesn't get sticks to the pan and it doesn't get chao ta. Don't use too high heat. If you feel it is too dry, feel free to add a little bit more oil. Now it's coming to about 3 minutes. I will saute for another about 1-2 minutes. This is coming to about 4 to 5 minutes. You can see the beautiful reddish color is coming out. Chili oil, yeah. Going to give it some seasoning, some light soy sauce here. And let's give it a bit of fine salt. We need some sugar definitely. About 1.5 tablespoons maybe. A bit more is fine. Oh, look at the color. The color looks very, very appetizing right now. Look at the beautiful color. Right, then do I want to add oyster sauce? No need lah. Today no need lah. Like I said, to me it's optional. Add some filtered water. And let's bring this to a boil. Once it is boiling, then our beautiful jiang zheng fish sauce is ready. Simple, isn't it? I dare to say my jiang zheng sauce is nothing lesser than compared to those at the restaurant. So this is after 10 minutes. Wow! Ooh, the fish looks so fresh, super fresh. Look at the beautiful whitish color. Let me show you. Can you see this beautiful whitish color? This is how fresh it is, yeah? Right, here's my very beautiful steamed wild barramundi fish head. I have removed the fishy water, pour away, and also very quickly rinse it with a bit of water also. So that is the second most important part, to remove the fishiness of the fish. Okay, so next thing, that is the exciting time. We are going to bundle it with our beautiful sauce. Right. If you have some fresh coriander, put some fresh coriander on top. Appa's fresh coriander in the fridge is not so fresh anymore. So anyway, look at how beautiful it is. So if you like my very simple video today, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.